Welcome back to our video series to help you create a high converting Shopify store with PageFly. In today's video, you'll learn how to create a parallax effect for your pages. So the very first thing we want to do is head over to the Add Element tab on the left toolbar, grab a full section and drag and drop it onto the page. Now we want to set an image as a background, but first we'll select the section and we'll head over to Styling and scroll down. And then under Background Style, we will choose Parallax. And then from here, we can upload our image. And then just very quickly, we'll click on More Settings and make sure the parallax speed is set to normal. Now, obviously, you can see that this background image is just set to a slither. So what we want to do is add a little bit of padding on both ends. Let's try 200 on the top and 200 pixels on the bottom. And that should give us a little bit more room to show the image. Just remember, when adding these margin and padding parameters, it will affect your device from a mobile view, but we'll come back to that later. For now, let's see the effect in real time by clicking Publish and then Live View. So here we can see the parallax effect as we scroll down. It's quite subtle, but the image in the background stays fixed as the rest of the page moves. And it's just a really cool design feature to add to your page. So as I spoke earlier about the margin and padding being affected from mobile view, we can see this image is now taking up quite a significant portion of the mobile view. So what we want to do is click on it and then just remove a little bit of this padding. We can either change it to a lower number or set it to 0, so it looks more pleasing to the eye when viewed on a phone or another smart device. And once again, to view this in real time, we will publish it, click Live View, and then from here we can right click on the page and head over to Inspect. And then toggling between devices, you can see exactly how it looks on mobile, and you can drag it across to see it from a tablet standpoint, and then of course on a laptop or a desktop. And that is how you create a cool parallax effect with PageFly. That is all for today's video. Don't forget you can reach us on our 24-hour support line within the PageFly dashboard.